In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to set up a LIYU SC machine. First, plug in the power lead that is provided. The SC comes with 3 pinch rollers. When you're applying the pinch roller, you should always avoid the joint of the bottom rolling bars, shown with the sticker above, and also at the right hand side of the plotter. This is because those parts does not move. If you pinch down the roller at those areas, the vinyl will get stuck. Okay, first we're going to put the vinyl onto the machine. Tighten the roll. Make sure it is square. We'll put the pinch roller on the edge of the vinyl. We should also run the finger across the vinyl to make sure there's no bump in between. Yes, we're going to place the second one. Make sure you avoid this area, because this is where the joint of the bottom rollers. If you push on those areas, it will get stuck. Now we're going to load the blade onto the blade holder. To release the blade holder, first untie this copper screw and then turn it to the right. Holding onto the blade holder, open the cage and then release the blade holder. With the pack, it should come with a packet of blade. 2 of the same color would be 45 degree. The single one would be the 60 degree. The 60 degree usually for t-shirt purpose, where the blade need to dig in a bit deeper into the material. For usual usage, you should use 45 degree. To load the blade, first take on the blade out, remove the cap, and then place the non-sharp side into the blade holder. Never push it in with your fingers. You can push it in with your fingernail side. To adjust the blade, first undo the copper ring, and then adjust the screw at the back. It should be set approximately 1/4 mm ring, so it cannot move. And this is how much it should be. Now we're going to put the blade back to the holder. Now the machine is ready to turn on. First you see this interface. You got the select button, which cycle through the menu, enter button to confirm, reset button to reset the machine, and 4 direction arrow key for your settings. In the main menu screen, you will have local, test and copy. In this screen, you'll be able to change the speed and the pressure. For the SC model, I should set to about 400. You can change that by pressing up and down key. Left right will adjust the pressure. To start with, for the SC series, always start about 12 mil and then do it carry on a test. If you need it, you will increase the pressure. So now we're going to do some tests. First we locate the blade to the right area. So first selecting local, press enter. You have the origin, current and on screen. Now when you move the arrow key, it will move the cartridge. the LIYU cutters cut from right to left. So you set the starting point at the bottom right of the vinyl. When the position is set, simply selecting current and then press enter. Now we're ready to test. Make sure the speed and the pressure is correct before doing testing. We're going to press the select key to select test and then press enter. Now what we're going to select local and then press enter. Feed it out and then try to read again. In this sample, you see you can peel out the vinyl nicely. Now your cutter is set up. To cut the vinyl, simply choosing local and then feed out. And then from the bottom bit, you see there's a red cutting slot. All you need to do is get a blade and then run across it. And the vinyl is ready to be cutting again.